We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Krisnorey AX902B 2-in-1 Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 adapter. Consists of the following features: 2-in-1 Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 adapter. Krisnorey AX902B network adapter provides lag-free and stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Upgrade your PC, laptop, desktop new life with our AX900M Wi-Fi 6 and latest Bluetooth 5.4 USB wireless adapter. Whether your desktop PC's Wi-Fi/Bluetooth USB is malfunctioning or you're looking to upgrade to faster dual-band 5/2.4 GHz speeds, it's a budget-friendly way to extend your device's life and experience the benefits of modern Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 technology. Plug and play with built-in auto driver. This AX902B Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.4 dongle is developed for Windows 11, 10 PC, laptop, desktop only and does not support other systems. It comes with pre-installed drivers, automatically recognizing and configuring itself for quick setup on your Windows 10 11th system. No need to download drivers, saving time and worry. Please note this adapter doesn't support Mac OS, Linux, Win 8, 8.1, 7, XP. New generation Wi-Fi 6 AX900 MB per SEC USB Wi-Fi 6 wireless network adapter for PC features the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering speeds up to 600 MB per SEC on 5 GHz and 287 MB per SEC on 2.4 GHz. With these upgraded speeds, web surfing, gaming, and streaming online meeting is much more enjoyable without buffering or interruptions. It's a smart Wi-Fi USB adapter for PC perfect for the modern user. Latest Bluetooth 5.4 adapter. Applies with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, offering enhanced security, reliability, and backward compatibility with old Bluetooth 5.3, 5.0, 4.0 devices. Supports dual modes, BR/EDR plus Bluetooth Low Energy, to achieve low power consumption, faster speed, and further coverage. Quicker response and better anti-interference. Wi-Fi receive and transmit 2-in-1, work as Wi-Fi mode/signal receiver. A desktop computer can connect to the Wi-Fi wireless internet by connecting it to a wireless network card. Soft AP mode, signal transmitter. A networked computer can connect to the network card to transmit Wi-Fi and share it with other devices. Stay safe online. The Wi-Fi dongle supports WPA, PSK, WPA2, PSK, WPA/WPA2 mixed encryption modes to provide stronger password security, ensuring your data is protected and you can use it with confidence. It supports MU-MIMO for connecting multiple devices, improving network efficiency. Revolutionary OFDMA reduces lag so you can enjoy ultra-responsive real-time gaming or an immersive VR experience. Up to 7 devices connected sync. Krisnorey USB Bluetooth 5.4 adapter for PC supports up to 7 different types of Bluetooth devices to be paired and connected at the same time without interfering with each other, including Bluetooth headset, speaker, keyboard, mouse, game controller, printer, PCs, laptop, smartphone, and more. Excluding 2.4G wireless devices like 2.4G wireless keyboard, mice. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.